If you want to create a connection with the person on the other end of a Zoom call, you need to look into their eyes. And to look into their eyes, or to have them feel like you're looking into their eyes, you need to look into the camera lens. So say I'm having a conference with Big Bird. If I look at Big Bird's eyes, my camera's up here. So on the other side to Big Bird, it looks like I'm looking down at Big Bird's chin or his neck. And if I look into the camera, then I can't see the facial expression on Big Bird. So that's the problem that we're trying to solve here. And the good news is, I've got the solution. I'm Brighton West, and I help coaches, consultants, therapists, and other service businesses connect with clients using online video. I've been searching for the perfect solution to this problem for years. I've gone through all sorts of tools, and I finally have the perfect solution. It's simple, and since I created this, it's been on my desk full time. I use it multiple times each day. Not only does it help me with that emotional connection, but I find that I'm less fatigued after spending hours on Zoom. It feels completely natural, so my mind isn't working overtime to figure out the direction to be looking. If you're a professional using Zoom or Skype or Teams or doing webinars or recording presentations, then this is worth the investment. Let me show you how it works. I'll try not to get too technical. So the system uses a one-way mirror with your webcam behind the glass, and a separate monitor in front so you can see the person on the other end of the call right in front of your webcam. In this case, it's Big Bird. If that's confusing, it's okay. Just think of it as magic. And this setup comes in separate parts, so if you already have an external webcam, then you don't need to purchase that. Just use the one you have. I have a page on my website dedicated to this setup. You can find it up here. I've got photos and links and descriptions that could make it easier for you to understand and figure out exactly what parts you need. There are 4 main parts, and you can buy each one on Amazon. To buy all the parts, it'll cost about $500. And having bought all those parts and so many more during the testing phase to come up with this solution, I can tell you it's totally worth it when you look at the benefits that flow from having a natural conversation with clients or potential clients. The magic part is the teleprompter, which is what holds everything in place. There are lots of teleprompters out there. I own half a dozen. This is the one you want. It's called the Caddy Buddy. The link will be down below. You'll connect an external webcam to the teleprompter behind the magic glass. I have some strong preferences as far as webcams. I recommend the Logitech C920 or C922. Links down below. Then you put an external monitor in the tray of the teleprompter. This one is special, and I'll have a link to the video showing you how to set it up here. Finally, I found the perfect desktop tripod to set it up at eye level on your desk, and you can make slight adjustments on the fly. Unlike other tripods, this particular one doesn't fall over. All of this will plug into your laptop or desktop computer, Mac or PC. On my website, I have photos and details so you can determine which adapter you might need for your particular computer. You can buy fancy things like a ring light and a microphone, but this video is really about the setup to see eye to eye. As I mentioned, I have more videos about this setup that you can find on the screen now. Happy shopping, and reach out if you have any questions.